The premiere of the play Father was presented in Tashkent, the theatrical performance based on the play of the same name by the French writer Florian Zeller. Father is an atypical French play, the genre of which the author himself defines as a tragic farce. This is the story of the relationship between the father and daughter at a difficult moment in life when one of them needs the other so much.
Я его знаю.
Да, ты с ним встречался.
Точно?
Не раз.
Правда? Если я правильно понял, ты бросаешь меня. Ты оставляешь меня одного.
The performance of the actors, the way they enter the role, is especially striking. The performance was especially touched those who have faced a similar situation in life and be easily understood by spectators. The lead roles were performed by the Russian theater and the cinema actress Marina Alexandrova, as well as people's artist of Russia Sergei Makovetsky. Father is a realistic, touching family story in which drama and comedy are surprisingly mixed. The main character lives, experiences, conveys and causes a whole range of feelings, from surprise, misunderstanding, irritation and anger to sympathy, understanding, anxiety and love. Writer Florian Zeller, who wrote his first novel at the age of 22, rapidly gained the fame. As a playwright, was awarded the prestigious Muller Award for his Father play, which has already been staged in theaters of Europe, America, Japan and Russia.